Flash Professional Cleaning is a family-run home and office cleaning company based in Kent. We offer a wide range of cleaning services from office, domestic, commercial, retail, end of tenancy, deep cleans and gutter cleaning. We use high quality cleaning products and accessories to give a professional finish, and wherever possible, eco-friendly products are used. Combining our wipe down and fogging service, we can disinfect and decontaminate your buildings and vehicles. Our dedicated management team have extensive expertise in food standards, ensuring that whenever we have an interaction with food hygiene, we work based on our principles of hazardous analysis and critical control points, and control of substances hazardous to health, in line with the current legislation and cleaning manufacturing requirements. Don't stress about your pets and children. Our environmentally friendly products provide a safe clean. We take care of your home with the same care as if it were our own. We know that a clean, tidy environment helps companies to be more productive and indicates to everyone that your company is proud and professional in everything it does. Office cleaning is at the core of our cleaning business. Our belief is that office cleaning for the client should be a silent service. Flash Professional Cleaning offers a full oven cleaning service. No matter how deeply ingrained the grease and carbon, we get your oven looking as good as new. With our specialised gutter hoovering unit, we are able to reach your gutters up to 3 floors high and over conservatories or any other hard to reach building extensions. We will execute the disinfection of your business premises to the appropriate standard using the government guidelines so you can work or live in a safe environment. Our end of tenancy cleaning is used by homeowners, renters and landlords across the UK. We can even bring your driveway back to life with our pressure washing service. Call Flash Professional Cleaning today on 07932 530 490.